fall stuff like this fall things, and this is also nice. They also have this nice pot for the plant, for artificial plant. So this is nice also. I think I will take it for my bathroom, but I will think about this. Another type of leaves, a lot of leaves, just to decorate maybe the classroom or the front doors when you live on a house, but I live in an apartment. Also this one is so cute too, but has thinner glass. They have this nice cup, like some pumpkin, so I wanted to see if I find something else or this one. And other kind of cups, because I want just to take my coffee in the nice cap. These are cute also, but aren't for fall. Some disc scooter, nice in this form. This for some type of parties that you can do in this fall season, for muffins or something like this. And even this type of silicone just to bake some cake, something like this. Just for the candle, a support, and a big candle. This artificial plant also, it's so nice. Just a kind of ceramic mushroom, just to decorate the house or the bathroom. Also this cup, it is so nice, and it is in a heavy material, but I don't know if that right will go on the washing machine. I will think about this. This is also so nice, but I wanted just a cup. This is for the tea. Look guys how nice it is, this. In the box. Also this one is so cute too, but has thinner glass. This is nice for soap dispenser. Maybe I will buy it. It is nice. Another type of decoration, some leaves. And some mini mushrooms. So in Pepco I didn't find so many stuff. Also we'll go now to Kika. They have so many things here. So like this pumpkin, like this nice decoration stuff, another white pumpkin, so they have a lot. This animal I bought last year, I have at my kindergarten. Also this type of fall decoration. This is also so nice with some leaves, just very cute. They also have for Halloween a lot of stuff. they also bring some Christmas stuff, guys, so it is crazy. They brought this Christmas stuff, but it is nice just to prepare earlier with this stuff for Christmas. These are nicer for the fall. This is cute for the Christmas, just a glass with or biscuit or something like this, even this one too, and other Christmassy stuff like these present bags or other kind of accessories. This Santa is so big and it is so nice. Even the reindeer and the home stuff from wood, they are nice for the Christmas season. That we don't have so many fall stuff, cosmetic or something like this. It is recently that they brought some decoration stuff in some other store. So I brought myself a nice frappuccino, and now I'll go to the city just to walk a little bit. It is my last day before tomorrow I will start the work with the kids. So I wanted to do a quick outfit check. So I have this nice t-shirt. So I have a pair of shirts in black color and my new Lacoste sneakers. Let me see if you can see me. So my new Lacoste sneakers, it is my first time that I am wearing it, and I am anxious just to see if I feel comfortable in them. So let's go to the city just to enjoy this fall nice weather today, guys. So this is a body lotion with chocolate and with some vanilla woods. This would be perfect for the fall, so I will take it because my lotion is almost finished, but I wanted to see if they have maybe other kind of scent, but no, this is the scent that I will choose with vanilla. And also they have this sugar toffee crush, also I will buy it. So I bought myself a filling salad with some fries and some dressing with yogurt, and of course their garlic dip. So it is so hot today, guys. We have almost 13 degrees Celsius, and I stopped by at this Mac just to take my lunch because I walk a lot. a store. We want to buy a new chair for my girl, and maybe a new carpet for her room, and just to see other fall stuff, or maybe some boxes just for depositation for my apartment. So it is such a nice weather. It is warm. We have 30 degrees Celsius, and the leaves, like you see, start to become more yellowish. I'm happy that I succeed to finish my work today. I have a lot of errands to run, but I succeed to finish, and now I just want to chill out with some frappe, and after I will go to the city, because I also want to search for a new pair of sneakers, white sneakers, because they are more comfortable just to wear with dresses or pair of trousers, something like this. But I wanted just to see what I can find. This is my hair after I curl with my headband. It is a little bit messy, but I like the volume. Maybe I will succeed in this fall season just to change my habit to eat, and to eat more natural and healthy food, and also to keep my hair straight, guys, because I notice even I curl with the headband, I succeed to make some damage on my mid ends that were also a little bit brittle from my previous bleach session. So with my Fino mask, that has a lot of protein, and it makes my hair so smooth, maybe I will succeed just to wear it down straight, but I will see if I can succeed it. I want to put my Osmo down and to see if you can focus very well on me. I'm so happy that I bought this camera. It is so professional and so nice to film with this. So I just came back from my work, and I made myself a nice cup of coffee in this new glass that I have with this straw with some ice, because it is warm outside. It is hot. We still have this nice summer weather, and after I will go to my hairdresser just to do my root, because I have a lot of gray, and after I will came home I will show you what packages I received, because I made a lot of orders, so I will open with you guys. I just came from my hair appointment. She did color my root, because my gray hair appears, and we succeed to make a blowout. So I'm so happy with the result and how my hair looks. After I will go out, and but before I will open the packages with you guys. So I'm happy that I succeed to maintain my hair healthy. Even I use a lot of treatment, and a lot of expensive stuff. I enjoy, because I like how my hair turns. I just want to see how my hair looks in natural light. So I like how it turns and how it looks my hair now. It has a lot of shine, and it is bouncier. Uh, Tonight I will put it with my headband, just to preserve my curl, and to make it last. but I like it so much how it looks. But now let's get open the packages together. So the first package are my essential oils from doTERRA. I just ordered some essential oils because I finished some of them. So for my beauty treatment and for my face, I enjoy using this geranium essential oil that I have bought today, and two creams for back pain for my mom and for a friend. And for this order I receive a gift, this Northern Escape Woodland blend. So I like the idea that they provide some free gifts when you order a certain value of the order. So another package was this bras from Triumph, because I found it on sale, and I found finally a good bra, because I gained weight, and in the last period of time was hard just to find a good bra that can give me support but also be nice on wear it. So I choose this one on beige, and this the same model on white. So I find it on sale. I like this details, their logo. So I found it on sale, and I bought two of them, because I bought one in the last I guess 2 weeks ago, and I like it so much. I bought it from the store, and now I find it in on their website, and I decided just to buy another two, just to have in the next period of time, because I made a mistake. I just put it on a washing machine, but they recommended just to wash on hand. So if you have this expensive bras or something delicate, it is more easier just to wash on hand, just to preserve the quality of the materials. So I these are the packages that I ordered and I received today. I will take some rest and finish my cup of coffee. Also, we order this system for the olive oil, just to make it easier to dosage. And it is from plastic, but it is nice, and I'm anxious just to use it. This type of things that came from China are I just put this piece, are cheaper than I will buy from my country, from Romania, and it is just easier to use it. So we bought this piece from Shein, and I just wanted to show you. Maybe you can find it interesting and you want to buy it also. So I just go out for a walk, and I love how my hair looks. It has so much shine, and especially in the back it is so nice and feels so soft. So I will continue doing my treatment at my hairdresser, because that make a huge difference in my hair care routine, because I can use all kind of stuff at home, professional one, but at salon they are more concentrated. So this is the main argument that I learned in the last years, that can be professional product, but in the salon they are more concentrated. So if you can and you enjoy having a good care of your hair, check the salon and the treatment that are made there, because they will make a huge difference in your hair care investment and treatment.